Afternoon, everybody. I'm just taking a little break from making the placemats. I just wanted to put out a quick video how to make scrubbies. These things are great. It doesn't take much time at all. So let's get into it. Let me move my coffee. Move some of this stuff over. So what you need is a 5x7 piece of terry cloth, and then some netting, and then some marine mesh. It's kind of like a nylon-y type material. And then you need some scrap. So I just got to cut this. I need one for my kitchen. And you want that 5x7. So let me just get a piece cut here real quick. And you're going to use white thread on these. So I'll have them. And then 5. So 7x5. So what you're gonna do, let me see if I can get that. You have your piece of fabric. Your piece of netting. And if mine are too big, I just fold it over. And then your marine mesh. And then your terry cloth. Now you're going to leave a little opening in here so you can turn it. But let me get my pins. And then you're going to sew around about a 1/4 inch seam. Be sure everything is even. I'm sure you can hear my birds. They're going crazy. So get this pinned all around. And then what you're going to do is sew. Leave that opening. And you will be trimming some of this. Because sometimes mine just, when I cut, they don't come out even. Okay, so you sandwiched all that together. Come over to your sewing machine. And you're going to start sewing from here, around, up, back over, into your next pin. Okay, let me get this done. Okay, once you have that done, you're just going to trim your edges where it might be a little bit too long. And cut your corners. And then you're going to turn it. Now you're going to turn it from your terry cloth and your mesh, your marine mesh. So just turn it right side out. Poke your corners good. I usually get my little corner pointer. Okay, come back over here and just push out your corners. Okay, now you're going to sew up your opening. So just kind of like pull it, get it tight, pin it. Okay, pin this closed. And this is great for scrap. Okay, sew up your, like do an edge stitch right at that opening. See, and you want to use white because your terry cloth is white. And then, let me get my scissors. Then you're going to go around 1/4 of an inch all around it. And these things are so sturdy. I love them. Now these can go on the top of your dishwasher rack and get cleaned, or you can throw them in the washer. And as soon as it's pretty worn out, you just throw them away. Then just trim off your threads. And then you have a scrubby for your kitchen. And that's it. And these things work wonderful. I mean, the marine mesh really works good as a scrubby. Plus you got the little netting in between the holes, so that really helps. And then the terry cloth is great for just like your counters. And I usually give these as free gifts when somebody places an order with me. I will give them one of these, or I will give them a jar opener. So, you know, just make yourself a few scrubbies for your kitchen. This matches my kitchen, so, and that's it. And I'm going to get back to the placemats. I've been cutting and cutting and cutting, so it's a lot of cutting on those. But tomorrow, I'll come back and I'll do a short tutorial on the refrigerator handles. So you can make that and have everything in your kitchen match. And so I will see you tomorrow. You all have a great day. Don't forget to make some scrubbies. Bye.